Hi, my name is Victoria Hughes and I am the Movement and PE teacher here at NASAC, but I'm also the Global Campus lead for secondary. Global Campus is an online platform which allows our students at NASAC to connect with all the other students as part of the Nord Anglia family. Global Campus allows our students at NASAC to explore a wide range of activities, anything from looking after their mental health well-being to their overall fitness levels and being introduced to chess club and tournaments, debate leagues and even exchanging letters with their pen pal activities. Recent success on Global Campus has seen some of our students actually win competitions and be recognised for their work. These recent successes include Young Musician of the Year. Mayron in Year 8 became 3rd place in the piano category. One of our Year 9 students, Adney, was top 16 in the Global Campus Art Competition. And we've just recently had 4 of our Year 10 girls who have had their work published in the student newsletter for May. One of those students actually becoming a features writer, and that's Amna, Aisha, Hanisa and Arissa. And we will be rewarding these recent successes in the Reward Assembly in secondary next